In today's video, I'm quickly going to show you how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right into it. Now, to be able to have an option to add someone else's story to your own, you must be tagged in that particular story. Let me quickly show you. As you can see, I've been tagged on this story and I have an option of add this to your story right here. I can easily tap on it and this story will also be added as my story. But if you want to add in stories, if you are not tagged in, then the only way that you can do it is through screenshot. Open up any story that you want to add and then simply take a screenshot of it. Now you can head over to your story section and then upload the screenshot that you just added. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today and I'll be back with more.